natin to, ENC 603 MK18 Multicam. Shoutout kay Sir Ian ng Cebu. Ayan. So, complete markings, engraved markings, naka-reinforced internal parts, metal receiver, metal front assembly. Teka, bigat. So, out of the box, ang kasama niya is LiPo battery na. So, may front and rear sight. And then, charging handle is metal. Selector, metal. Magazine release, bolt release. Trigger and trigger guard is metal din. So, ito yung stock niya. Crane stock version 1. And then, magazine out of the box. Ang kasama is a 300 rounder na metal magazine. Okay, so test natin. Again, shoutout kay Sir Ian. Chrono check. For details, PM lang kayo sa Mavs Hobby Shop.